Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back on a cool video to show you guys the comparison between Prowler's 910, 920, and 930. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So today I want to do a comparison video for you guys on Pentair's Prowler. This is their robotic cleaner. We've got the little guy, the 910. You've got its bigger sister, the 920, and then you got the oldest sister, the 930 here. So we'll kind of go through and just kind of obviously show you guys and talk about some of the differences. You'll notice that the 930 and the 920 are identical in size. We'll get into those more specifics, but we'll start with the 910. So for those of you guys that haven't seen our other video, we've got a what's in the box, quick little fixes on this thing. You guys can check out the links down in the description. But the 910 is meant for a much smaller body of water. So you'll obviously tell that it doesn't come with that front scrubber like these other two do. It does have a rear scrubber that you guys can't see, similar to the other ones, but it won't have that front scrubber as it's running through. It does have a different hose flow on it, a much beefier hose flow on it, and it does come with much smaller power cord. So you only get 12 meters, roughly 40 feet or so of the power cord. So it is meant for much smaller bodies of water. They classify it as an above ground pool, but for those of you guys that have those smaller spools, you can actually throw this thing in there. So, and this one only will just power on, buzz around, does its thing, and then you guys just take it out. So then we got the 920. So again, this is going to be the bigger sister of the 910. This one's meant for the majority of your in-ground pools that are out there. This gives you guys that nice beefier cord for power. So you actually get roughly 18 meters, which we did the math. What did we say? About 50 feet? About 50 feet of cord. You'll notice when I show you guys the 930 that the cord thickness is different just to power the unit. Mostly because this 930 has some other features that come with it, but it does have the same length of the cord. So you're not actually losing any distance there. So that's pretty cool. It does have a smaller hose float on it. So obviously it doesn't require as beefier of a one as the 910, but it does come included with the front scrubber and the rear scrubber, and it does have the larger basket. So for those of you guys out there that actually want a better robotic cleaner, this is going to be your price point. Again, visit the website. We've got really good prices on all three of these units, depending on what you guys need. But this one will only allow you guys to have some set schedules, which is really cool. So again, on our power pack, it will walk you guys through how you guys can set those different schedules, but this one doesn't have any type of app control. So speaking on the app control, we'll move to the 930. So this is the biggest version you can get. Obviously you guys can tell that the colors are just slightly different. So it still has both front and rear scrubbers on it, but it does have that beefier cord because this one does have that app control. So this one will actually allow you to connect to the Pentair Home app and actually control the cleaner, set its schedules, do all the different types of automation, which is really cool. This one does actually already come pre-installed with the finer filters on the actual basket itself. So I'll take the one out, the 920, so you guys can see what I'm saying. But this is very similar to like your pool filter. So this is going to catch a lot of down to very fine debris on the micron level in order to actually get all that stuff off the bottom of your pool floor comparatively to this one, which is more of like just a mesh. So this one isn't going to kind of have the pleats like the other one will. It's just kind of a mesh so that finer sand and debris actually can still make its way through this. They do give you the option in the 920, which is really cool, to actually replace these with something similar to that. So again, they're very similar to each other. It's just this one actually has that app control. So really highly suggest going with the 930 for those tech guys out there that really love to be able to control that. Otherwise, the 920 works perfect. Toss it in and let it start cleaning. So otherwise, I mean, basically in terms of all the other items on the cleaners, they're really similar. There's not a crazy amount of differences. But go ahead and check out all those links down in the descriptions because we actually have links directly to the website so you guys can read some more specifics on each one. But just wanted to kind of show you guys the example and show you guys all of them compared right here on the table. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that like button. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.